Hey all, this is Savash from Threat Insights, and today I'll demo the MR Security Reports widget, which we recently rewrote from scratch. Before getting into the details, briefly, I'd like to describe why we decided to rewrite it first. First of all, the old version was written a long time ago and it contained a lot of tech debt. And secondly, we faced some performance issues with the widget. So we rewrote it from scratch. All right, so if you have an E license and have the security reports enabled for your project, you should see a widget similar to this one when you visit the MR page. With the collapse state, you can see information such as whether this MR introduces new vulnerabilities or not, and the number of vulnerabilities grouped by their severity. If you don't have any vulnerabilities introduced, you should see something like this. If you expand the widget, you should see more details for each enabled tool. Click on a finding and you'll see additional details. In the previous version, we used to fetch the feedback data, which is this part of the vulnerability, when the widget was loaded. This is a very expensive operation on our side and caused several performance issues. With the rewrite, we now fetch this information on demand, only when needed, and only for one vulnerability. This gives us a lot of performance improvement. As in the previous version, you can dismiss a finding, add a comment, or undo the dismiss so that the status goes back to detected. Resolve this finding or vulnerability with an MR if there is a patch for it, or download the patch, or you can create an issue for this vulnerability. We're hoping that these changes will allow us creating a better user experience for our users without introducing performance issues. Thanks for watching the video and have a great rest of the day.